passing lane, but we need a lane change to the right, so signal right, mirror, blind spot, over. Don't touch the signal until you're in the lane totally. Now turn the signal off and watch your speed. You're doing 70 in a 60 zone. That is a fail. Watch your speed. Remember, they don't joke with things like that. You must obey the rules of the road. Keep moving. Get up to where you need to stop. You should just see over the hood of your vehicle where the tire makes contact with the roadway. That's it. And again, remember, it's not what you see, it's what the examiner sees. So if he has to raise out of his seat in order to see it, then you know you failed. Okay. And if they move up, you move up, but always stop at the appropriate distance. Okay. You've got your green light. Check before you go through. Left, right, left. Or left, right, center. Any way you want to call it. But it's left, right, left, not right, left.
That's right.
Yes, left, right, left. Okay. Careful, his brake lights are on, meaning he's slowing down.